In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to your Shopify store. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to streamline their marketing efforts and make the most out of these powerful platforms. We'll walk through the steps to easily set up this connection, allowing you to sync your store's data with Mailchimp for better marketing capabilities. To get started, we'll first access your Shopify store, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once there, log into your Shopify account to access your admin panel. This is where you can manage all aspects of your store, from inventory to marketing tools. Next, find the search box located at the top of your Shopify admin panel. This is a handy tool for quickly locating apps and functions within your store. In the search bar, type in Mailchimp and hit enter. You'll need to find and select the Mailchimp for Shopify app from the search results. This app is crucial for linking your Mailchimp account with your Shopify store. Once you've selected the Mailchimp for Shopify app, the next step is to install it. Look for the install button and click on it, then confirm the installation when prompted. This process is straightforward and should only take a few moments. After the app is installed, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account to proceed with the integration. Make sure you have your Mailchimp login details handy, as you'll be prompted to enter them in order to connect the two platforms. If you don't have a Mailchimp account, you'll need to create one before continuing with this tutorial. With your Mailchimp account open, you will next authorize the connection between your Mailchimp and Shopify accounts. There will be a button labeled Authorize Connection that you'll need to click. This step is essential as it grants the necessary permissions for the two platforms to sync. After authorizing the connection, you will choose your Mailchimp audience. This is where you decide which subgroup of your customers will be included in this sync, allowing you to tailor your marketing efforts specifically to them. You will also have the option to enable features like Product Sync and Customer Sync. These features keep your product information and customer details up to date across both platforms, enhancing your email marketing strategies. Once you have chosen your settings and options, return to Shopify and click the Continue to Mailchimp button. This will take you back to Mailchimp and complete the connection process. To confirm everything is set up correctly, look for a message in Mailchimp that states your Shopify store is now connected. With this confirmation, your integration process is complete and your Shopify store is ready to work seamlessly with Mailchimp, allowing you to optimize your marketing efforts effectively. That's it, you have now successfully connected Mailchimp to your Shopify store. This integration unlocks powerful marketing potential, from managing email lists to sending targeted campaigns, making it a valuable tool for any online retailer.